Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have another guess what's in the bag video. This bag is from OEM Toyota Parts. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much for watching. It's another guess what's in the box video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box video, aka bag video. I got this from OEM Parts. It came from Donwood Toyota. It is a dealer that, or place or dealer, I believe, that sells OEM Toyota parts in Athens, Ohio. So this bag is 12 3/8 long by 10 3/8 wide by the thickest portion of the bag, which is in the back, is about 1.5 inches deep. The rest of this bag is flat. This is just going to be a quick video. This is for the new 2000 limited 4x4. I found a couple things that needed to be fixed and replaced to make sure that it was legal on the road at night. And I'll let you guys guess what you think that is. Brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights, third brake light at the top, headlights, all work. It is missing a passenger side fog light, which is not really too big of a deal. I'm going to end up getting a set of fogs, extra set of fogs, and I'm going to just put the ones I purchase on the vehicle, and the one that it has on it, on the driver's side, I'm going to remove and just keep it as a spare. But all the lights do function. It's something else on the truck. So what are your guesses? What do you think it is? Is it the exterior? Is it the interior? Is it a housing? Is it just a bulb? What do you guys think? Just, yeah, if you don't want to play, it's okay. I'm kind of feeling a little congested. I had a really high temperature last night, over 102. My wife gave me some ice packs, and I'm now at 86.9, 96.9, something like that. I remember the 6.9. I remember, which is kind of low for me, whichever one it was. I think it was 96.9. Yeah, it was 96.9. I'm a little congested. I think I have a cold, but you know, I'll take this out the bag and I'll show you guys what it is on the next video. It's just a short little guess what's in the box video, bag video. I got a bunch of other OEM parts coming from eBay. A lot of them I had purchased for the new limited. I have my stereo there. I did start purchasing a bunch of wires for this stereo. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to completely remove any of the wires from my SR5 that was wrecked. What I'm going to do is I purchased all the wires needed to wire this one to the new limited. I'm going to use the wiring that is complete in my SR5 as a guide, because I just don't want to have to remember to do it again. Because it was a lot of wiring. I wired up a backup camera, I wired up the video features, I bypassed one of the video options on it, and a few other things. So it's going to be easier to use my SR5 wiring as a reference. But I got to hook up the Sirius XM satellite radio module. I have to hook up my HDMI cables and extensions. I had video hooked up, which is what these RCA cables are for. So what I'm going to do, I purchased basically everything that's in this bundle, as well as the Toyota harness, which is the Metra cable. I don't remember the number, but you wire that, you plug that into the plugs on a Toyota 4Runner, and then you wire those wires to the harness that is for this. And I purchased a harness for that, as that plugs into the back of the stereo. And I'm also bidding on another identical stereo. So if I win that bid, then I would get the stereo, and I could put this one back into my SR5. But at the moment, I'm getting everything for that stereo, so it could be put into the limited model, because the stereo it has is the original stereo, which is actually quite shocking. Most of these stereos are completely gone by the time anybody purchases one of these 4Runners. But it's got the CD player, CD changer, and it's got a tape deck, you know, a cassette tape deck and everything. And the lights and everything are so dim on it, you can't even see what volume you're turning it up to. And I like hands-free better. So wish me luck on the bidding. It's at like 260 right now, or 360 right now. But I will be putting an upgraded stereo in it, so those are some of the hints of what's going on. So you guys might be able to guess what some of these packages are. I'm just doing it to get some content out, so that way I have something to do at the time being, because I'm still waiting. I can't pick up parts for the SR5 until the money comes in from the insurance. I can't go pick up any more parts for the Limited until the Limited is back in my possession. It's actually being repaired at the dealership that I purchased it from, which is great. A couple problems were found. They're not charging me. They towed it. They called a tow company and they physically had it picked up and taken back to the dealership, and they're working on it. I'm supposed to get it back today, don't know, but today is August 3rd, Tuesday. My accident was on the 22nd of July. But that's all I got for you guys. Just a quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I will keep you guys updated, you know, between both trucks, as well as, you know, what's going on. I'll try to record as much as I can when it comes to, you know, stripping the 4Runner, if that's something you guys would like to see. I kind of already stripped the dash. You can see the stereo was already removed. I already took the side steps off to see what the damage on the sides were, which wasn't too bad at all. But I'll see you guys on the next video, and I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Peace!